Hi, Bill Yannick here, Connects FM CEO. Welcome to the Daily Grind as we continue to highlight and work our way through Connects FM 2023, our national conference that's going to be happening, I guess, in a few short weeks and a few short months. It'll be here before you know it. So today we have another special guest. She's the incoming VP of Content for Connects FM, and she's the Executive Director of our foundation. Brooke Cowart's her name. Brooke, welcome to the Daily Grind.
Hey, Bill. Thanks for having me. Happy to be here.
Now, I love these. Normally, we thank people for appearing on the Daily Grind, but if you're part of our team, this is mandatory fun. So I guess I can thank you for showing up, but we forced you to be here, right?
Hey, I'm always in for mandatory fun. Sign me up.
Cool. All right. So how about a little more of an intro? You're just getting started on the VP of Content, and well, you've been with the foundation for a while, but I guess what do you do in those two roles are about to do at Connects FM?
Yeah, so with Connects FM, specifically as it relates to the national conference, I'm overseeing all of the education sessions and experiences being offered at national conference, and hope to expand that with my new role across all of our events and all of our experiences really with Connects FM as a whole. And then on the foundation side, we offer a scholarship program. We have an impact charity project that we do annually, and we have an annual fundraising event that really supports those two pillars of ours.
Cool. Well, in a few moments, I'll ask you about the foundation event, but let's start with the content we're going to have at National Conference that you helped build and you coordinated. So as I understand, we have 5 key tracks. What are some of the key ideas and issues and subjects we're going to talk about at National Conference?
Yeah, so this year we really tried to bring the education sessions back to the basics. Let's really deliver our members with turnkey solutions that they can take back to the office and implement right away. Some of that has to do with professional development. We do have a professional development track. Some of that has to do with bridging relationships between multi-site FMs and suppliers, or even just generations as a whole. So we have a track on that. But some major tracks that we're really honing in on this year is our research and industry trends track, where we'll discuss things like supply chain and how that's affecting the FM industry. We have an ESG track where we'll talk about anything that, sustainability to DEI, and how that's really integrating into our FM world and ecosystem. And then we have a business recipes for success. And this is really where we're kind of diving into the new technology era. What is AI? What does that look like in the FM space? What is a digital twin? How can that benefit the FMs? And going forward, how can that really benefit the whole ecosystem as a whole? So we have a lot as far as the tracks go. One thing that we're really excited about is our demo lab. Our demo lab is something that we've done in the past, so we're bringing it back. And that's where we'll have live demonstrations. So if you've never seen an HVAC unit, swapped out in real life, or learned about the different parts of an HVAC unit, we're going to offer that opportunity for you here, along with a couple of other live demonstration opportunities as well.
Great. Sounds riveting. Great stuff. Great tracks. All interesting. And we know, and I know that you developed those tracks. Our members have been very helpful in telling us what they want to learn about, to include the lab and all that experiential stuff. Okay, so the foundation, so the national conference officially runs from the 3rd through the 5th of April of this year. But on the 2nd, the foundation's going to do their annual charity event. They're going to be at a really cool place. So what's going to happen with the foundation charity event right before national conference?
Yeah, so the annual fundraising event is set to take place at the Star in Frisco, Texas. So that's where the Dallas Cowboys practice. We will provide transportation to and from the Gaylord. But really, it's a really great way to kick off the event. It's very convenient and casual, and just before you put the suit and tie on, come out and have a good time. This event benefits our scholarship program and our impact charity project. So the more funds we can raise there, the more impact we can make with our charity project and our scholarship program. So we hope to see you there.
And that Star is something else for a quote unquote practice facility. I mean, the Cowboys have it nice, yeah, compared to almost any other team in the league. Awesome, Brooke. Well, thank you for your help on the content and the foundation and all the stuff you're going to do as VP of content moving forward. For our audience out there, that's your daily grind. And join us at National Conference. It's April 3rd through the 5th, right here in Irving. Well, actually in Grapevine, Texas, right outside DFW. Join us at connectsfm.com to sign up. So that's your daily grind. Have a good one.